So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning guys, all I was thinking is how to eat this food. So let me give you a whole story. I made this my soup yesterday evening. This is a white soup. In Igbo we call it OFe Nsala. Back from work yesterday around 3:30 and I made this my soup, only to remember that we had a Chinese night and get together. So I packaged my soup and I put it in the fridge. So we went for that, we came back, everybody went to bed. Here I am lying down on my bed this early morning and all I am thinking is my soup. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, devil is a liar. How can I go eating fufu early this morning? But after thinking and thinking, I was like, you know what? That fufu has not yet killed my grandmother. And she eats it all the time. And my grandmother is 106. And it has not yet killed my father or my mother. And they eat it all the time. And I said, I'm going to eat my fufu this morning. Forget about porridge, cornflakes, whatever. This morning I am going to demolish this fufu. The thing is that, right, if you grow up on the Igbo side of Nigeria, you will know, if you're from Igbo side, you know that this fufu sometimes will be your breakfast, will be your lunch, will be your dinner. Sometimes there's a time when it can be your breakfast and the yam and oil will be your lunch, and this will also be your dinner again. So after all those years eating it like that, I didn't die. I will not die today for eating it this morning. And when I was thinking about coming to eat this food, I was reading my comment from my Chinese food video, and one of my viewers was like, can you please do fufu video? And I'm like, you read my mind. You know what I'm thinking this morning is come and eat this fufu. So my dear people, we are going to eat this fufu this morning. I remember when I was small, if my mother is making this fufu and I'm crying, I say, we have ate it in the morning, in the afternoon, we are eating it again in the night. And Igbo mother, when they tell you, Otolo babu si wagi dear, you know that if that woman stand up from that chair, that she will smack your head. Anyway, let's get back to this video. This, if you're wondering why this is this color, this is a butternut squash fufu. So that is the butternut squash, right? That is how it looks like. I use that to make this fufu. And before some of you start telling me do a recipe, I have this butternut squash fufu video already. The way I do is that I blend it up and I put it in the pot and then I cook it. Once all the water dry out, then I use the wooden spoon and start mixing it. And at some point, and then I will add oat powder to help thicken it up. So that is how I make it. And this is my white soup, OFe Nsala. If you're an Igbo person, you will know. So I have a stock fish, I have cow leg, that's my cow leg, and I have my turkey gizzard. So my people, let's get into this video. And OFe Nsala is usually very spicy, so yeah. This is my cow leg. Oh. Oh. Some people was asking me, why did I put it in my mouth and get it out? The stock fish is full of bone. So, if I don't get the bone out, I'm gonna choke. Because there's a comment like, why are you ending on top? No, this is a bone. So when you put the stock fish in your mouth, you kind of suck out the fish and then take out the bone because it has loads. Excuse me. The head. This is stockfish head. It has loads of bone. You know, that is the way we eat it. So, my dear people, I am done eating today. I still have a little bit of fufu. I know some people will still leave a comment telling me finish it up. And a little bit of meat and my soup. But I'm telling you, this is well deserving, and it's only after 9 and now in the morning, but I have the energy now because today is Saturday. My Saturday morning routine is not a joke. Have you heard of taxi mom? I am one of them. I'll go now and wake up my son, wake up my daughter, and get them ready because they have GAA match. If you're in Ireland, there's you know the way they have American football. In Ireland, they have GAA. They call it Gaelic. So they have that today. And some days, it might not be within my area. Some days I'll be driving. If you see the way where your sister is driving to go for this thing. And when I get there, I will stand in the park. My sister is very cold. I'll be shivering. Standing, what we do for kids, the sacrifice we'll do for our kids, only God will help us. I will stand in the park and it's shivering like madness. Stand there and wait for them to play their game. And after that, by the time I come home out here on Saturday, it might be 1:30, it might be 12:30. So, with this, my fufu and OFe Nsala, this soup has warmed me up. This soup is very spicy. I have actually boosted myself now to go and get on with my Saturday morning routine. My sister and my brothers, guys, this life is not easy, but we thank God. Anywho, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press on the bell icon because it will tell you immediately whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Oh yeah, this fufu, this fufu, it is very soft. Look at it, and very light. That's why I like it. It doesn't feel, it feels very light in the belly. And it reminds me, if you're from the Igbo side, it reminds me of nyoka. Nyoka, corn, is a yellow corn. Nyoka, SLS. That is the taste, because it has that sweet taste. It has a good sweet taste. So that's why I like it as well. I like my oat fufu and I like this one as well. This one gives me that, a bit of sweetness. So, watch down my video how I made it. Give it a try and let me know. Tell me what you think about it. And I will see you on my next one. Bye. And have a good Saturday. Have a good weekend. Bye.